How is it, Mama?
Good morning, friends, and welcome to a new vlog. As usual, my morning chores starts.
Hello and welcome to this new vlog. Hello friends, welcome. I'm ready. You've seen the morning activities that was done, and I'm ready to go for a lunch. It's a bloggers table, which means a couple of bloggers are going to meet at a restaurant for food review and just having fun together, etc. So that's where I'm heading to, and Akriti is joining me for this lunch meet. So yes, that's all. I'm all ready, and we are just waiting for our cab to come here so that we can leave, and I will show you a sneak peek of what's happening there. So yeah, stay tuned. See you. Oh yes, by the way, I am going to Kailash Parbat. They have various branches, and I am heading to the Chetpet branch today. So yeah, that's it. See. So finally we reach here. And I'm coming here for the first time. I've been to their Velachery and Adayar branch, but never come to the Chetpet. Hi.
I thought somebody will come करके कह रहे हैं यार अपना शायद कोई आएगा करके OnePlus मेरे को नहीं मालूम मेरा वैसे भी कोई नहीं आया अच्छा कोई एक वीडियो लो मैं पानी पूरी डालूं
How is it, Mama? हाँ बोलो. हाँ मम्मा अभी लेती हूँ. पहले YouTube के लिए ले लो.
प्लेटर यहाँ अच्छी लगेगी.
Yeah, I think it looks really good.
एक इंस्टाग्राम के लिए पोर्ट्रेट मोड पे ले दे.
हाँ अभी लेती हूँ. You're looking so pretty and the food looks better.
ओके क्लिक क्लिक.
अगर प्रॉपर बना है तो इट्स बी गुड
द वड़ा पाव इज यम्मी है ना. सबसे बेस्ट अभी तक वही था.
बॉम्बे पर्सन मेरे को ये आई विल नॉट ईट दिस
इसके नीचे
फर्स्ट पनीर मसाला रेगुलर कस्तूरी मेथी.
कसूरी
हो
ये पनीर इज दैट दिल्ली वाला स्टाइल. सो दिस तो मैं डेफिनेटली टेस्ट करूंगी. द अनियंस आर सो टेम्पटिंग यार.
ओह गॉड यार
छोले ऑल्सो ही गॉट दिल्ली वाला स्टाइल में ना.
ओके आई विल टेक योर अच्छा ठीक है आई लाइक इट
So post lunch, we were all getting pictures clicked with the staff and support staff, and then we went up where they have their banquet hall, which has a capacity of close to 100 people, and it is very well done for parties and other official meetings.
So yes, we are done with our lunch here at Kailash Parbat. The bloggers meet was crazy. It was fun. And we had a wonderful afternoon here. बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. So now I'm heading home, and I will see you all after I reach home. I'm so overstuffed. We all ate our heart out. Loved the chola bhaturas. All the chaat items were delicious. Finger licking. The biryani was yummy. And so yeah, we are overstuffed. And I'll see you all after reaching home. So yes, I'm back home, and there's no better place than coming back home. I will now have a cup of chai that will help me in digesting all that I ate. and I will feel good about it, because no matter where I am, I definitely need my evening cup of chai. Especially when I go out and come back home, all that I crave for is my comfort wear and a cup of chai. Oh yes, and I also got back home to this package. I have received this. This is basically an invite that I've received, and there's an event happening from the 13th to the 15th of August. So this is an invite for that. This invite is from the Yellow Door. They basically organize events, and they are also into choreography. They choreograph for wedding sangeets, etc. So this is an invite from the Yellow Door, and it is an invite for an event called as Khao Gali 2. So they have done a Khao Gali 1, and I have put up a video before my experience with Khao Gali. That was at the VR Mall Chennai when it happened for the first time, and this time it is in a Velachery Mall, and it's basically a street food festival. So they organize such events for foodies like us. So they've sent me this invite. Dear Martin Laddell, wishing you a magical day ahead. We are happy to announce our upcoming event, Khao Gali. So blah blah blah. That's a personal note for me. Yes, and with that they've sent me some goodies along. So this is Bites and Chew. So basically these people are going to put up a stall there, and it is they've sent me goodies, assorted goodies from the stalls that are going to be put up there. So Bites and Chew sent me this pepper tappai. I'll give you a closer look. So this is one thing that I've received, and the other thing that I've received is from Farm Organic, Food of Paradise, organic cumin ground. Okay, this is organic cumin powder. It's nice, and I can smell it. You know, the box is closed, but I can still smell the fragrance, the aroma of roasted cumin. So yes, this is one. I hope you can see. It's Farm Organic roasted cumin that they've sent. And this last one, Love Nest Home Bakers. Oh, and there's a home baker with the name Love Nest. I think she sent me some chocolates, some delicious chocolates. So this is a chocolate box. So yes, these are the goodies and invite from the Yellow Door for the event Khao Gali. So I have events back to back. Today was this bloggers meet. Tomorrow there is a relaunch of a restaurant, Italian restaurant in Kilpark. So I am invited there with it's a couple invite basically. So Vipul and I have to go there to attend the launch. I will take you guys there, and I will give you a sneak peek of what happened. So that is the invite for tomorrow, and then on the 13th to 15th I have Khao Gali. So today, tomorrow, day after, I have back-to-back events and going to be busy days. So yes, I will give you all sneak peeks of wherever I go, and I will share my experience with you all. So yeah, that's all as of now. I will now change, get into my loungewear, have a cup of chai, and the evening I'm definitely going for a walk. So I'll get back to you guys. Stay tuned. So yes friends, I'm back, and after I reached home, I had my chai, I changed, I relaxed for some time, and then I completed my work. I uploaded yesterday's vlog on my YouTube channel, and that's a very special vlog to me because I have shared my acne journey, how did I deal with the acne, and etc. So please go and watch the vlog, and if you like, please share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Also, and then I uploaded my Instagram post and did a couple of other chores that were pending, and that's it. Now I am heading for my walk. I'll be going for my walk now, which is much needed after today's indulgence. So yes, I will remove my makeup and go for walk now, and I will get back and do my editing work, because as I said, I have an event tomorrow, so I will not have time to edit my vlog. So I'll edit it tonight, I'll upload, and I'll publish it tomorrow at my usual time, that is between 5 to 6 p.m. So yeah, that's all for this vlog. I hope you like and enjoy. Please share and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next vlog, stay tuned. Bye bye.